I'm Anil Kumar. In this video, we'll explore angles in parallel lines. We have a very good example here where we are working with two set of parallel lines. So the blue lines are parallel, these green lines are also parallel, and in turn they also form transverse lines. We are given the angle 5x minus 11 and 3x plus 5. We need to find the angle ABCD. So let's first see how are 5x minus 11 and 3x plus 5 related. Now if you see, we are working with these two parallel lines which are in green and the transverse line in blue. So they form corresponding angles. So let me write down corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are always equal, and therefore we'll equate them to find the value of x. We have 5x minus 11 equals to 3x plus 5. Bringing x terms to the left, we get 5x minus 3x, constants to the right, which is 5 plus 11. Now these are in degrees, so let me write down degrees here. Okay, so 5x minus 3x is 2x, and 11 plus 5 is 16 degrees, or x is equals to 16 degrees divided by 2, which is equals to 8 degrees, right? So x is 8. Once you know x, you can find what is 5x minus 11. So 5 times x is 8 minus 11, which is 40 minus 11, right? So that gives you 29 degrees. So 29 degrees is 5x minus 11. That should be equal to 3x plus 5 also, which you can verify, right? So you can verify that part. Let me use the right hand side to do the verification. So we have 3x plus 5. If I write 8, we get 3 times 8 plus 5, and that is equals to 24 plus 5. All are in degrees, so this is equals to 29 degrees, right? So these two angles are 29 degrees. We'll write down 29 degrees here. Now once you know these angles, you can actually write down rest of the angles. So what is A equals to? A and 29 degrees form a linear pair, so we can write A equals to 180 degrees minus 29 degrees, correct? And that is equals to, if I take this as 30, it will be 150, it is one more, 151 degrees. Is it okay? You can always use calculator. So we know A is 151 degrees. Now if A is 151, then what is D equals to, or what is B equals to? Now B and A are corresponding angles. B is equals to A. That should also be equals to 151 degrees, right? Now B and C are exterior alternate angles, correct? B and C are exterior alternate angles. C is equals to B. That should also be equals to 151 degrees. As far as D is concerned, you can find this as an alternate angle. C and D are alternate angle. C equals to D. So that should also be 151 degrees. You could also calculate D by using the property for interior angles. Sum of interior angles 180. You could find D also by using 180 degrees minus 29, which will also give you 151 degrees. So either way you calculate, you can find all the angles in this particular case, right? So that is how you can actually solve such a question. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps you to solve angles in parallel lines easily. Thank you and all the best.